everyone! Welcome to Travel Range, with another opportunity for those who want to come to Europe in 2023. Now, my friends, let me tell you the great news first so you can watch the video till the end. And the good news is that Croatia is giving the 100% visa to every applicant right now. All you have to do is start the process before you miss this opportunity. Now, why am I making video about this opportunity? 1. Croatia Work Permit Visa ratio is 97%. 2. All kinds of labor jobs are available like plumbers, mechanics, carpenters, construction workers, electricians, and you name it. Third reason is, visa process is very simple. Fourth is you will be in Croatia within 3 months. Lastly, they are hiring most of the people from India, Pakistan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and all other Asian countries. Now let me give you a very short introduction of Croatia. If you don't know about this beautiful small European country, Croatia is in southeastern Europe, packed with beautiful mountains, beaches, and coastlines. One border is with Hungary, and another one is with Slovenia. Now, if you want to come to Europe, you won't find any better opportunity than Croatia, because on 1st of January 2023, Croatia is going to be a part of the Schengen zone, which means if you had a Croatian visa, you would be able to travel visa-free anywhere in Europe. You can find all the available jobs and how many people are getting visas. I mean, each and everything you can find on their official websites. I will leave the link below in the description of all the companies and their websites, so you can directly go to their links and start applying. Now, you don't need to be an IT. As you can see, the list of most available jobs and most of the work permits have been issued for these jobs. They need people in every profession. There are almost 16,000 jobs still available, as you can see. And trust me guys, jobs will double in January 2023 because they are entering into the Schengen zone. Now I'll tell you how to find the jobs, how to apply for work permit step by step, what is a salary, and how much is the cost of work permit. Now first, let's talk about how to find the jobs. There is a website called Expat in Croatia. If you go to this website, they have a guideline for visas and jobs in 2023. How to find jobs, how to reach out to companies, and all that. You would find each and everything here. Even they have mentioned about private Facebook groups, which you can join to find a job. You can contact directly to the company, and most important, Croatian government will also help you to find a job. In addition to that, there are multiple job portals. You can even do a live chat with them. But don't worry, all these links are in the description. Just go and start hunting jobs with your CV and cover letter. Now let's talk about salaries. Now salaries are relatively lower than other European countries. The minimum salary is around 800 euros per month, but you will be getting insurance and accommodation from the company. So you have to spend only for your food, which is hardly 100 euros per month. You will be saving almost 600 to 700 euros. But guys, I'm not advising you on Croatia for work. I am giving you a gateway to Europe. Once you have a work permit, you can go to any other country in Europe and find a job of your own choice. First, you have to enter Europe, and the job list you are seeing on your screen right now, in these professions, Croatian government desperately looking for people so they can issue the work permits. Now, how to apply for work permit? First of all, you need to find a job. Then after the job, your employer will issue a contract and send it to the Croatian government. You will receive a work authorization letter, and your employer will send you that letter. After that, you have to apply for a visa in your home country, and visa application documents you can see on your screen. Visa application form, valid passport, 2 photos, travel insurance of 30,000 euros, cover letter, explaining the purpose of your trip, your work permit document, confirm ticket, visa fee. But links for everything I am talking about are in the description. Now let's talk about how much this work visa will cost you. If you directly get hired by a company, which is very possible in Croatia, keeping in mind the current jobs and visa ratio, your total cost will be zero. All you need to pay is visa fee. And if you apply through any agent, then your cost can be around 5,000 euros, according to current market rates for Croatia. Now talking about pros and cons of Croatia. In my opinion, as I mentioned earlier, Croatia is for those people who want to come to Europe to get a work permit or PR. Because in Croatia, there are many drawbacks. Like, you need to learn the Croatian language. In big cities like Zagreb, people do speak English, but not like other countries. So the language barrier would be there. And in the second biggest drawback is lower salary. Now in my opinion, these problems will be right off. When Croatia will become the Schengen member, salaries would be higher according to Schengen standards. But you still need to learn the Croatian language a bit. But the biggest benefit is the visa success ratio, which is amazing. All you need is to apply for the visa, and you will get your visa approval within 8 weeks. And you can verify their visa stats on the official Croatian website. And then process for visa application and jobs is very simple and straightforward. You don't need to go here and there to get those extra documents, which are typically required by other European countries. And you will be getting your visa within 8 weeks. Whereas in other countries, your work visa can take up to 2 years. First, you have to struggle for a job, and then after that, you will be struggling for a visa. So my friends, this was all about Croatia. And if you like this video and information, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share this video with your friends. And as always, don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next one.